what they look like during the day and also at night. Gives you a nice shot. So this is what they are. This is how they look. And here's another shot of them, what they look. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some LED emitting diodes. These are 5mm, multiple colors in this set here. So I'm just going to take a look at these real quick with you, and we're going to look at the color. And to stay tuned to the video, I'm going to show you how they work and how you light these up. So this kit here comes in multiple different colors. You can see the blue ones here. The blue diodes. We have some yellow, right? Some cool orange, I like that. Green, some white ones, red, multiple colors. And there's all kinds of these packages. There's a ton available. As you can see, there's so many different options here. If you definitely like to do craft or science projects, things like that, these are really cool. I'm gonna light these up in a minute downstairs in the office. So in the workbench. So stay tuned with me, please. I'm gonna show you exactly how these work. So the LED little glow lights are really the mini LED diodes, which is really nice. I like these quite a bit. 10 different colors available. You have yellow, orange, emerald, green, blue, white, red, green, warm white, purple, and colorful flash. I don't know. So there's all kinds of different ones here available. Just to be clear and transparent, the company did send this to me and did compensate me to make this review, so I can show you what they look like and just give you an idea of the overall quality and what I think. Now these are really good, especially if you're doing like any kind of projects at all, any kind of school, any science, any kind of experiments. These are a must for students. It's really a nice entryway to learn about that kind of the world of using that. These are 3.4 volts. So I made a mistake, and to be honest with you, I just popped it onto a 9-volt battery and that thing just popped. So you got to be careful. You really have to use exactly what it's rated for. So this is rated for 3.4 volts, and that's probably your max volt. That's what it says on their specs. So let's just pop down to the workbench, and we're going to just light some of these up and just show you in the dark and how they look. So if you enjoyed this kind of review, let me know, leave a comment, or follow for more great reviews like this here, because a lot of times you look online and you don't really see what they look like. You know, the pictures don't really do it justice. You really want to see what they look like in person. You can see the quality of them. Let me just take one out and just give you a really good close-up. There you go. So you can just see how cool they are. They're really nicely made. You got the 2 prongs coming out, and you can put this in circuit boards. You can do craft projects. You can do science experiments, all kinds of really cool stuff. All right, so let's get down to the office area and the workbench, and I'm going to show you how they light up. Okay, guys, I'm in the workbench here. I'm just going to light them all up so you can see them all during the day. I'm going to do a quick night shot so you can see how they look at night. This is just a quick example. They're really nice quality. I really played with them all, and you can just give you a good idea what they look like during the day and also at night. Gives you a nice shot. So this is what they are. This is how they look. And here's another shot of them, what they look like. This is the actual items themselves. You get 10 different colors, 10 different options available. Definitely highly recommend these. These are definitely a go-to. Here's some of the spec information and the size. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Don't forget to follow for more, and thanks for watching.